It flows very well, like it's a very well oiled machine. There is pressure with it because this is a product that is going out into the statewide community. Everywhere you go, you're gonna see our product out there on the street. So yes, it is a very, very important job, and with that comes pressure.
We make about 10 million plates a year. So you have to kind of get in the routine of constantly going, you're constantly moving forward. So keeping a routine of where you are and where you're trying to end up at the end of each month.
I prefer the White House area where we print the license plates.
You know, seeing how we turn these rolls of sheeting and material into actual license plates that are gonna get printed. It's been pretty cool to see someone show the whole process. Well, first thing we get is we get the order from the DMV, what we need every year. And then we'll go to the White House, kind of make the order, generate the order, how they want their sequencing, how they want their number sequencing.
We'll generate the plates. From there, we'll put it into our 1530, it's a 3M software. It creates the plate digitally. The printer will print them. From there, we'll take that finished roll and we'll go to the cutter line.
So from when the aluminum gets loaded on the line, it goes through what's called a straightener. So any malformations in the metal will be straightened to go through on the plate. It gets stuck on the plate, kind of like a sticker. It goes through what we call the die to get cut. That cuts the plates and it also puts those holes in it on each corner. And then it'll go through to what's called a catcher. And they're putting the plates by numerical order into different boxes to be sent over to inspection so they can finally finalize the product.
And then from there, it gets palletized, shrink wrapped, and taken to the warehouse,
which will become ready to be shipped out to different counties and cities across the state of Texas.
To me, I think the cool thing is that there's only 11 of us in here that do this. And it's a product that's gonna be dispersed out within the whole state. And at the same time we're doing that, we're helping these guys learn some skills that they're gonna be able to take with them.
We offer a lot of OJTs that help everyone, no matter what kind of profession they want to get into, also a forklift license. We're really building a foundation for them when they get out to have strong work ethic and things that they can learn. You get used to working with a wide variety of people and with people with different expectations. So it really does help them, and it helps them grow and try to reduce recidivism. A good place to work. We always try to have a positive environment, not just with the staff but with the inmates. We try to promote positive change within their behavior. Also, I mean, just to brag about Wynne, we do more license plates than anyone else in the world. Just here and Wynne license plates. So it's something that we always take pride in, and we're able to do so much more than anybody else.